everyone, and welcome back to our channel Core Health 365, your ultimate destination for all about health-related issues and fitness guidance. Today we're talking about something super important for staying healthy and independent: balance. Falls are a leading cause of injury for older adults, but the good news is that there's a lot we can do to improve our balance and reduce that risk. We're going to go through some easy and effective exercises you can do right in your own home. So grab a sturdy chair and let's get started. Think about all the things you do every day: walking to the kitchen, getting dressed, reaching for something on a shelf. All of these rely on good balance. As we get a little older, some of the systems that control our balance, like our inner ear, our eyesight, and our muscle strength, can change. This can make us feel a little less steady on our feet. But the great thing is that just like any other skill, we can train and improve our balance with regular exercise. These exercises don't need to be strenuous or complicated. We're focusing on gentle movements that can make a big difference. Before we start any exercises, let's talk about safety. It's the most important thing. First, make sure you have a sturdy chair without wheels. You'll want to be able to hold on to it for support if you need to. Place the chair on a level surface and make sure there's plenty of clear space around you so you don't trip on anything. Wear comfortable, supportive shoes, no slippers or socks on slippery floors. And listen to your body. If anything feels painful, stop immediately. We're aiming for gentle movements here. It's also a good idea to have a friend or a family member nearby when you're first starting out, just for extra confidence and support. And of course, always check with your doctor before starting any new exercise program. All right, let's start with a gentle warm-up and get our legs moving. We're going to do seated marches. Sit up straight in your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Hold on to the sides of the chair for support if you need to. Now lift one knee up like you're marching in place. Don't lift it too high, just a comfortable height. Then lower it back down and repeat with the other leg. We're just warming up the muscles here. Focus on a smooth, controlled movement. Let's do about 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg. Remember to breathe normally while you're doing this. No need to hold your breath. You might feel a little bit of movement in your core muscles too, which is great for stability. Okay, for our next exercise, we're going to work on heel-toe walking. This helps improve our balance by making us more aware of our foot placement. Stand up tall, holding onto the back of your chair for support. Place one foot directly in front of the other, with the heel of your front foot touching the toes of your back foot. Now take a small step forward with your back foot, again placing the heel of that foot just in front of the toes of your other foot. You'll be walking in a straight line, almost like you're walking on a tightrope. Take small, controlled steps. Keep your gaze forward and focus on your foot placement. Walk for about 5 to 10 steps forward, then take a few regular steps back. If you feel unsteady, don't hesitate to hold onto the chair more firmly. As you get more comfortable, you can try letting go with one hand. Now we're going to work on strengthening our balance by trying a single leg stand. This one is great for building ankle and leg strength. Stand behind your chair, holding onto the back of it with both hands. Slowly lift one foot off the ground, just a few inches. Keep your standing leg slightly bent and try to maintain your balance. Hold this position for a few seconds, maybe start with 5 to 10 seconds, and then gently lower your foot back down. Repeat on the other leg. If this feels too challenging at first, just try lifting your heel slightly off the ground. As you get stronger, you can lift your foot higher and hold the position for longer. Remember to keep breathing and focus on a point in front of you to help with stability. Don't worry if you wobble. That's perfectly normal. Just put your foot down and try again. Our next exercise will help strengthen your leg muscles, which are crucial for balance and preventing falls. We're going to do chair squats. Position yourself in front of your chair with your feet shoulder width apart. You can hold onto the back of the chair for support or place your arms out in front of you for balance. Now, slowly lower your hips down as if you're going to sit in the chair. Go down as far as is comfortable for you. You don't need to actually sit down if that feels too difficult. As you lower down, keep your back straight and your core engaged. Then, slowly push through your heels to stand back up. Let's aim for 8 to 10 repetitions of these. If you find it hard to stand back up, use the chair for a little extra support by pushing off with your hands. Now, let's focus on our ankles. Strong and flexible ankles play a big role in maintaining our balance. Sit comfortably in your chair with your feet slightly off the floor. You can do one leg at a time or both together. Gently rotate your foot at the ankle, making small circles in one direction. Do about 10 circles in this direction. Then, reverse the direction and do another 10 circles the other way. Repeat on the other ankle if you're doing them one at a time. Next, we're going to work on strengthening the muscles in our lower legs and ankles with toe and heel raises. Stand behind your chair, holding onto it for support. First, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels off the ground as high as is comfortable. Hold for a second or two, and then slowly lower your heels back down. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. Now, for the heel raises, shift your weight onto your heels and lift your toes off the ground. Again, hold for a second or two, and then lower your toes back down. Repeat this 10 to 12 times as well. These exercises help improve ankle strength and stability, which is so important for preventing trips and falls. This next exercise helps improve your reaction time and balance when you might feel a little off balance. Stand facing a wall about arm's length away. Place your hands flat on the wall at shoulder height. Lean slightly forward, then gently push yourself back to a standing position using your hands. The movement should be small and controlled. Focus on engaging your core muscles as you push away from the wall. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. This exercise helps you practice regaining your balance if you start to lose it. Our final balance exercise is weight shifting. This helps improve your stability as you move. Stand behind your chair, holding onto it for support. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Now, slowly shift your weight onto your right leg, lifting your left heel slightly off the ground. Hold for a moment, and then slowly shift your weight over to your left leg, lifting your right heel. Continue gently shifting your weight from side to side. Keep the movement controlled, and don't lean too far to one side. Repeat this weight shift 10 to 12 times on each side. These exercises are a great start, but you can also work on your balance throughout the day with a few simple adjustments. Try standing on one foot while you're brushing your teeth or waiting in line. Make sure you have something to hold on to if needed. When you're walking, try to maintain good posture and look straight ahead. If you use a cane or walker, make sure it's the right height for you and that you're using it correctly. Your doctor or a physical therapist can help with this. Even small changes can add up over time and help you feel more stable and confident. So there you have it, some easy and effective exercises you can do to improve your balance and reduce your risk of falls. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate these exercises into your routine a few times a week. It might take some time to notice a difference, but stick with it. Even small improvements in your balance can make a big difference in your confidence and your ability to stay active and independent. If you learned something from this video, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a nice comment, and share this with your friends and family who want to get healthier and live a happy life. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay active, and live that happy life. And